Hello everybody, this is Kostas Albanidis. Let me fix my microphone. We are ready. To this email I'm gonna show you how to authenticate your domain to Brevo system, and so that you can use the automations, the campaigns, or the transactional emails. That is critical to this platform, and we can see even to other platforms, but I'm gonna show you first this one so that we're gonna add AI tool detective to so that it's a legitimate domain, and that is gonna be able to send transactional emails, or I can use it for an automation or a campaign from this great platform. We go to our account here, and we select sender, domains, and dedicated IPs. Here we're gonna select domains, and to domains we see that I have already one authenticated domain. I'm gonna add another one. We write here, after we click add domain, we write AI tool detective.com, and your email domain provider here, because we use free spirits, it's the email domain provider in fact that we use from our server for our VPS, and we click save this email domain. Okay, now we see that we have to go to our email domain provider account and add our DNS records. Read our details instructions on how to add your DNS records. Okay, here what we're gonna have to do is to add this TXT, and in fact two TXT to authenticate and have the DKIM record and the Brevo code. At this moment, because we have the AI tool detective passing through Cloudflare, we go to Cloudflare, we select the AI tool detective.com. We're gonna see here our stats, and over here we're gonna have to go. You see, it's a new domain. We don't have a lot of stats here, but we go to DNS, and here to DNS we're gonna have to add what Brevo is asking. Okay, we're gonna add first add record, and select the TXT from here, type TXT, right? We go back to Brevo to see the, you see, to name we're gonna have to put this, we return here and paste this, and to content we're gonna have to copy this one. I believe it's easy to be done, you see, and then you just click save. Okay, not add record, because it's gonna cancel all this procedure. So we select save, and we are done with this one. Now we go back again, and we copy this one, and we create another TXT record here. Let's go and create another TXT record. You got it, okay. And then to content, I have to copy all of this stuff from here for the Brevo. Sorry, we go here, and we select paste as a text. Okay, now we save this record too, and we are ready with all of that. We just click authenticate this email domain. We wait for the authentication so that it's gonna be the records is gonna be populated, and so that Brevo is gonna be able to check it out. Okay. And as soon as Brevo is gonna authenticate that, it's gonna show us that this domain AI tool detective is authenticated. Now it says we could not process your request at this time, wait a few minutes, then try again. Okay, we close this message, we wait for a moment, we see that Brevo code is added, we see this green over here. You know, sometimes you might deal with this kind of errors from Brevo, but generally it's really a good service, and it's working perfectly. We click now authenticate again. We see that this domain is already authenticated. Please refresh your page, and we just refresh our page, and we're gonna see that we have the domain authenticated. But if we go to our account and sender's domain and dedicate IP, visiting the domains here, we're gonna see that AI tool detective is really authenticated. I believe that's an easy procedure. If you're not using Cloudflare, you can easily add the TXT records to your DNS service. In case you have you deal with any problems, or you need more instructions about that, you can visit the help of Brevo and open a ticket, or you can just leave a message under this video, and I'm gonna try to help you with your service. Wish you the best, and see you again in the next video. Ciao.